What's going on, everybody? This is D-Live, and welcome back to my channel where I give you the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth about EV everything, ownership, processes, and just EV life as a whole. So EV Base, your online premium EV and Tesla accessory store, sent me a product that I've always wanted, a Cybertruck spoiler. And if you like what you're about to see, which I know you will, I'm going to leave all the information in the description below, even showing you how you can save 20% off by using my promo code EV360. Let's get started. Starting with packaging. And if you know me, you know that I'm a stickler for packaging. I think that packaging is a representation of your organization, and how you send your product off is a first impression to a customer, especially myself. EV Base has consistently provided quality packaging for their products. And as you see for yourself, everything is packaged tight to perfection for protection. All right, so as we lay everything out on the back of the Cybertruck, I'm telling you now, I ordered the matte black spoiler, and it is crispy. And that, based on that packaging, what should you expect? It's crispy, it's scratch free, no bends or warts in it. You know what I'm saying? You also have some more 3M tape, a lot of 3M adhesive promoter, and y'all, it comes with instructions. Everything about EV Base comes with instructions, and I love it because I should not have to figure out how to work your product. If you selling me a product, show me how to work your product, and they did just that. So the installation process is very simple and straightforward to install. The first thing you want to do is align the spoiler with the tailgate, getting the position right before tacking it down. So once the spoiler is aligned on your Cybertruck, use some tape to help with positioning. It makes the job a whole lot easier. Hey, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So now that we have the tape in place, all we're going to do is flip the spoiler back on top of the tape. The tape is just for positioning. That way, when we fold it back over, we already have some form of a guideline of where the spoiler was on the tailgate. So now it's time to clean the surface of the tailgate with adhesive promoter. EV Base sent about 8 to 10 packs of adhesive promoter to wipe down the tailgate. So you should have plenty to wipe it down. Just make sure you wipe it down real good, because this is definitely important for that 3M tape on the bottom of the spoiler to stick. All right, so once you wipe the surface, let it dry for about 30 seconds. It doesn't take long to dry. It dries very quickly. And now you're going to remove the 3M double-sided tape off the bottom of the spoiler. I will tell you that this stuff is very, very sticky, so you do not have to worry about that spoiler flying off, okay? It is very, very sticky. Matter of fact, I didn't even have to use the additional 3M tape provided by EV Base. I appreciate it and never had to even use it. All right, so once you removed all the 3M double-sided tape on the bottom of the spoiler, all you're going to do now is lift the spoiler and reposition it. Let the tape guide you. All right, so once you are satisfied with positioning, you are now going to apply even pressure across the entire spoiler and remove the tape that you use for positioning. Don't be afraid to put some pressure on it. The spoiler is sturdy. It's very well built. So apply some nice even pressure across the entire spoiler. So once you apply even pressure with your arms, take a step back and just look at it. Tell me this don't look good. This looks amazing. Y'all definitely want this. Y'all want this accessory for sure. And once you're done admiring your artwork, go ahead and open the lid or take the tape off first. And then once you take the tape off, open the lid and just apply a little more pressure, with your body. So once you apply the pressure, your spoiler is installed. Just don't forget to allow about 24 hours for that adhesive tape to dry. Yes, you can still drive the vehicle, but just drive safely. It is nice and sturdy, I will tell you that. So take some time, enjoy the images that I'm providing you of the spoiler installed on the Cybertruck. And in the meantime, if you like what you saw, please like, share, and subscribe. All the information about this product is in the description. So if you want to order this product or anything off of EV Base, please use my promo code EV360 to save yourself 20% off of all purchases. all purchases. Okay. And yeah, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and I wish everybody nothing but the best. Okay, the next video will be out soon. Enjoy, and always thank you for tuning in to my channel.